Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about formulas like rank and rank average, count blank, maximum, minimum, large and small. What is the difference between maximum and large, and minimum and small as well. Also, after setting the ranks of each employee, I will see who is the topmost employee and who is the lowermost employee through index and match as well. Now let us understand rank formula. Normally rank is nothing but the rank of each value in a range of values or list of values. So when this ranking comes into the picture, people normally use a kind of sorting the data into either descending or ascending order, and they give the rankings. But when you have a formula, you need not do the sorting extra activity. You need not do. You need to be smart enough, right? So I'm just selecting the salary rank through a formula. So is equal to rank, and then I need to give the number of which is basically wanted to know the rank, that is B2 here, and then the reference, that is nothing but your value of values of range or range values, range, comma, and then the moment I press comma, there are two values are appearing. One is 0 and another is 1, as descending and ascending. Descending is basically from top to bottom and ascending is bottom to top. So I wanted to see currently in this scenario that who is the topmost guy who is getting highest salary, and then who is the lowermost guy getting the lowest salary. So I select 0, enter. So this guy's salary rank is 61. Now I can just copy paste this formula down, because I have anyway selected this as a only column reference, and so that the entire column is selected, so there is no absolute and that kind of problem there. So just simply copy paste down, and you can do the autofill or you can drag drop, whatever you can do. So now the values have come. Now I use index match to understand who is the topmost guy, the name of the person, and who is the lowermost guy, the name of the person. So I'm just writing the formula like index. So I need to know the names of the people, so select the names of the people, comma. Instead of giving a row number and column number, I'll just say match. In this match, what is the lookup value? I wanted to see the number 1 guy. So 1, comma, what is the lookup value? Salary rank, comma, and then I need to see exactly same number, so same name rather. And then say yes. So this is the guy who is the topmost guy getting the salary, so I have this name. The same way I wanted to know who is the lowermost guy. So simply copy paste, because I have selected the range, only column range, no row reference given, so obviously it will just go down as it is. Here instead of 1 I say what is the lowest number. So here let us see what is the count. The count is 97, not 97, it's 96. So it's showing here count. So instead of 1 in the formula, I just select 96 and see who is that guy. See, the name is coming. So this way we can very easily use index match. Along with this video, I am attaching an Excel file which I am actually displaying here, so that you can follow the instructions as per the video and practice on the Excel file, so that it will be easy to understand the formulas and you can become master in those formulas. So now I am going to discuss about count blank, maximum, minimum, large and small, and what is the difference between maximum and large, and then what is the difference between minimum and small. Now let us see, before going to count blank, let us see the data. What is the data point here? So we have employee name and their status and their hiring date and number of years we wanted to arrive. We need to arrive number of years of their stay in the company, and certain benefits are there and few are not getting the benefits, right? And their salary and their job rating. So here I am giving you some extra information on certain other formulas. First of all, I need to understand how many years they are working. So there is a formula called DataDiff, but unfortunately DataDiff doesn't have any attributes, so that you need to learn little manually. So DataDiff, there are no attributes or parameters are given. So DataDiff, what I say, I select this. This is the date where he joined, from there till now. So now is today. I'll just state today and then select it. I'll tell you how today formula works, and then comma I say year. That means it will be the year. So he is working in this company since 2 years till date, right? So now let's see how today works. If I say today and open and close parenthesis, enter, I'll get the today's value, exact today's value. That means today's date. If I, in the meantime, if I say now, I'll get today's date along with exact time now. It changes every time. So basically it takes the system time and displays. So this way today and now works. Also in this you can do, instead of today, a date as well. Suppose you wanted to understand till last year some date. Simply I'm just for the purpose of understanding the formula I'm telling, you can just write date. The moment you write date, there are certain attributes are appearing. That is year is nothing but I'll say 2016, comma, month is May, comma, I'll say date is approximately say 31st and close the bracket. So from the date of joining till 31st May of 2016, he was working only 1 year. So that way you can manipulate this formula. So let us again do like add today only, because in this case I wanted to see his stay till date. So copy paste, otherwise drag down, otherwise select and drag, otherwise just double click on the tiny box, a green box, so that autofill happens. So this is the status of each employee, how many years is there. So now I wanted to see the benefits place. So suppose how many employees are not getting this kind of benefit. For that we use count blank. The count blank is actually the same way the count, average, sum, same way it works. So we have to give the range here. So I am giving the range here. So here we should not give the range only column range. You have to give both proper range, that is selecting this and only the range with where till the text is there, right? And then there are 12 cases where there are people who are not getting extra benefits, whatever they need to get or whatever it is. So now I wanted to see that these guys are who are not getting, I want to discuss with the management and say that please let them get the benefits. So that what I have to see, I have to get the names rather. I have to get the names, and then I say that I can put even need to talk and all so many things I can do. So I'm just putting it in front of that name, rather I will get need to talk, need to come. So wherever that benefit is blank, I need to make sure that there is a text, it should appear as need to talk. So if this is equal to blank, then I say need to talk. Otherwise literally blank, nothing need to come. So in this case he is already getting the benefit, the first employee, so nothing is coming, and for the rest I'll just copy paste down and say yes. So I have certain people who are not not getting any benefit are highlighted here. So I'm going to the management and talk to the management boss, these guys need to get the benefit. Now let us see, I wanted to see who is the topmost guy getting the salary and what salary is getting, not like indexing or like ranking, but here I am seeing what is the number, what is the salary number is the highest number and what is the lowest number. So the difference between maximum and large and minimum and small we need to understand here. Maximum and minimum only will give you which is the topmost and which is the lowermost, that's all. It won't talk in between. But in case of a large and small, a large will give topmost also, and it will give the second topmost and third topmost. In the same way, small will give you the second lowest and third lowest as well. So that way we can do that. So let us do one formula like this. So I'm doing it like max. So the moment it's asking number 1, number 2 and all, it's absolutely like some formula. So select the range, enter. So the maximum salary person is this guy who is getting the maximum, but this will not give the next maximum, it will give only the highest maximum, the topmost only. Now let us see large. The moment you write the formula large, it is asking the array is nothing but the range, and then it is asking k. K is basically it's a statistical measure, like we say nth number, no? The same k we have to say what is the number we want, the first one, second one, third one. I'll say first one. The first one is 9874714. Second one is 9706064. So maybe if you search it, you will get the second one here. This is the second guy, and then you can say third one, and so on. So this formula is used to see that not only the topmost, but the second topmost and third topmost also. The now lowest, let us say minimum MIN, select the range again. So it is giving the lowest salary, but I wanted to see second lowest also. So I'll say small, select the range array, and then here again the K. K means what is the level, whether it is first level or second level. The lowermost it will give as it is the same thing, otherwise by 2. So if I say 2, it will give the second lowermost, maybe a little higher than the first lowermost, and then third, and so on we can give it. So that way maximum and minimum and large and small works. Hope you understood, and please practice the Excel files the way I have given you, and make sure that if you have any doubts, please call me or send me an SMS so that you can understand the formula in a better way. Thank you.